If Microsoft Edge is giving you a permission error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is especially helpful if Edge won't open properly, won't save settings, or is blocking you from using certain features. We'll go through each step one by one, and by the end, you should have Edge running much more smoothly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, the easiest thing to try is running Microsoft Edge as an administrator. This gives the browser elevated permissions, which can fix problems caused by restricted access. To do that, go to your desktop or Start menu and find Microsoft Edge. Then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once Edge opens, check whether the permission error is still happening. If it is, don't worry, we have another step to try. Next, go to the Control panel and look for Microsoft Edge settings or anything related to the app permissions. If you see Microsoft Edge listed, right-click it and look for an option to change it or modify it, depending on what your system shows. On some Windows setups, this can help repair browser-related issues or reset the app's access settings. Follow any on-screen prompts carefully and save the changes if Windows asks you to confirm. After that, we want to check your extensions because sometimes a bad extension can cause permission errors or stop Edge from loading correctly. Open Microsoft Edge and go to the extensions page. You can usually get there by clicking the menu in the top right corner and selecting extensions, or by typing edge://extensions into the address bar. Once you're on the extensions page, you'll see a list of everything installed in your browser. Now toggle off all extensions one by one, or switch them all off if you want the fastest test. This will help you find out whether one of them is causing the issue. After disabling the extensions, close Edge completely and open it again. Then check if the permission error is gone. If the browser works normally now, that means one of the extensions was the problem. In that case, turn them back on one at a time until you find the one causing the issue. If you still see the error, you may need to keep going with more troubleshooting, like resetting Edge or checking your Windows security settings. But these first steps solve the problem for many users. The main thing is to test each fix carefully and see which one clears the error on your system. So to recap, run Microsoft Edge as administrator, check the control panel settings, and disable all extensions to see if one of them is causing the issue. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick solutions to common Windows problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.